So we finally did it. This is the full teardown of the amazing JBL Partybox 720.
Okay, we are job done.
Hello guys, welcome back on AudioTribe YouTube channel. In this video, we will gonna make a full teardown of the JBL Partybox 720. This is the new speaker that was released from JBL, and in my opinion it worth all the money. It cost around $800. It is expensive, but you will see that it will sound very good. It has two tweeters, two 9-inch woofers, and a total of 800 watts of power. So let's see step by step how to make the disassemble, and let's see the drivers, the electronics, and everything inside the amazing JBL Partybox 720. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and let's start with the teardown.
Hi guys, we're gonna start with the bottom part. We have under the rubber protection some screws. We need to take them down.
Even here we have some three
screws. We will need to take down the wheels of this model, and we will need a key because it's a hex screw there.
Of course, we made the teardown with the Sony ULT Tower 10, with the Sony XB900, with the LG X-Boom XL90, and even with almost all big JBL Partybox speakers. And from our opinion, the JBL Partybox speakers are the best, have the best construction between all of the big speakers on the market.
So we need to unclip both of the wheels because it will spin if we don't keep the screw.
And of course, because it will come in a few days, the New Year's Eve. Happy birthday and Happy New Year's Eve and Merry Christmas.
We have here the covers.
And of course, because we don't have the right tools to do this, we need to make an improvisation. My friend has this and I have two screws, but it's not stupid if it works. But of course, you need to have the right tools in order to make a very good teardown. Otherwise, you can be blocked at some times, or you risk damage the speaker.
Okay, everything is out with no problem.
And now, of course, we want to take out this gray plastic. No screws here, no nothing.
After we take down all the screws,
okay,
we'll see how it will go out.
We need to take out the cover legs, the
rubber
protection of the legs. And of course, these are made from rubber because they need to absorb the vibration. Remember, this has two 9-inch woofers that really shake the house. And of course, as you see, this is a fully working speaker. It is almost brand new. I use it only at a couple of videos, and it came the time to make the teardown because all of you asked me, make the teardown with the 720. Make it. I will make it, but it is not that easy to make it. You know, you need to have time. You need to
risk it to get the biscuit.
Yes. There we have some protections from the screw to look better.
And they are very well glued, and we don't want to destroy them.
I really love how this speaker sounds, how this speaker looks, but of course the JBL Partybox Ultimate, in my opinion, it sounds better, it looks better, even the lights are much better. The JBL Partybox Ultimate have three-dimensional lights here on the front and full lights even on the back side here. And now the bottom part should pop out, but I think first we need to take out the gray plastic that was on the wheels. The screws are identical?
There are four big
and three small. Okay.
This is very...
Okay, and up.
Okay, let me release it in the bottom also. So now,
so it has only clips on the sides.
And of course we have more screws here for the bottom part. Small screws. Okay. Let's remove also for the back cover.
So remember, the first step is to take out the bottom part.
Let's see how it goes now. We have another screw. So there are three. Okay, all the screws are out for the bottom part. Let's easily take it out. It has strong clips, I guess. Any other? They are all out, so we can definitely try to take it out. Okay. Feels like very hard to take it out. No wires at the bottom, so don't be afraid to pull it out.
Okay, so we see here that it has this speaker is built on top of a wooden frame, that it is a very good wood. Look at it.
It's
It's not MDF, it's really wood. Wood. No? I think it's wood.
It looks like MDF for
me. It looks better than a compressed wood, at least.
Okay.
I think we need to turn it off.
Let's take off all the screws in the bottom part, just to release the plastic. It will be much easier to take the top cover. I don't know, I don't want to take down the wheels, so I will leave these screws. We have also some screws for the wheels here, but it doesn't help for the teardown. Let's move to the front, because we have here some other screws. And we have some screws on the other side, but
these two.
Okay, we will move from the bottom easily through the front. I will take down the power from the speaker. Let's see, here no screw, so we are safe. This cover from the bus port, we need to take it out. It's not easy, but you must find a way not to use tools, because with tools we can damage it. I can feel that I have some space here. Okay. You need good nails. Okay. I put my hand to come on, it's too hard. Oh, finally. So we have strong clips. One is broken. From what do I see? It was here in the bottom, but I don't see it. Ah, this is
so only clips, but when we try to
and we did not force this one, we did it at the top, but I don't know, this one was a bit.
And of course even here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Look at this baseboard, it is huge.
So even if you're doing right, some clips may be damaged. Okay.
And of course the next step is to go up, and we see here the inputs.
Okay, for the inputs.
And underneath here it's a screw.
Okay, we need to take down this cover here. This one is very well glued. Okay.
And of course we see here that it has a screw.
There is a screw there. Let's remove it.
And in order to take out this this panel, you need to put something inside.
Something thick enough to be able to apply some force.
And to pull it out.
Okay. It's not going easy. Okay. That's it. We have some cables here. So there are only 3. Let's remove this one because they are simple. With this safety clip, and this one has this safety here, so you must release it first, and after that we can take it off.
So if you have problems with the input panel, this is it. It is easy to take out this part. And that's about it.
Yep.
Only connectors.
Now we discovered some other screws here, 2 of them. Let's take them out in order to make sure we don't forget about them.
1, 2, and another one down.
No. This is
this was the one that was with the
also the input panel.
And as you see, working our way up, we see here that we have another 2 hidden screws.
Let's make them disappear. it's good to choose the side with bigger gap in order not to deteriorate them. After that you can easily remove all the screws.
And similar with the JBL Partybox Ultimate, here or 520, here we have a plastic that we need to take out.
Yes, same thing
As the 520, I think.
We need to check wherever it moves a bit.
You will think that this is one piece of plastic, but it's not.
Can you hold it?
Yes.
Okay, we need a smaller screwdriver in order not to leave any marks, because it's a nice speaker. Come on, they have big clips also.
Of course, if you don't want to leave any marks, you need to work very gently.
It's good to check for the screws even behind the handle, because we saw with some models.
Yes, the JBL Partybox 710 had 2 screws there.
Come on, it is not easy to remove this one. Now you got it.
Yes, I have the Partybox.
And it's nice that we don't have any scratches. It's better to make your space easy to reach.
And now we are on the top part. I think we need to remove these screws.
Yes, we will remove also those screws, but since we have many screws under this rubber and under this rubber, we will try to take them out. And after that we will start with the screws.
So we take out the buttons, and under the buttons we see this plastic rubber.
I remember that we need also to take this out. I don't know precisely.
I think only the rubber.
Let's see.
No, even the buttons.
It's not a problem.
Yes, we will find some screws there. We don't know, but that's why we check, because it is not hard to check, but it is much harder to
fix something what's
Yes.
broken.
And of course we see here that we have one.
We see here that we have no screw. Really no screw, but at least we took it down.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure we can put it
But
back.
this, no? What's this?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, no screws there. It is simple.
So now you know it.
Yes. 1 minute loss. Another 100 to go.
Okay, let's try here.
There, for sure it will be. You see, it was very easy to remove it. Yeah, very easy.
But here it was, look, no glue here. Almost no glue, you see?
Yeah.
Just a little bit on the edge.
So I see here that we have one screw and another one here. Only 2.
Okay, let's.
What's the next thing we need to do? Just pull the top?
We will analyze to see if we can find something else. But I don't see something else. maybe the handle to be removed, but no.
But why don't you try to remove this back cover? Because we have loosened all the screws.
I don't know, we don't have.
Here no screws. Maybe there are some screws from inside of the box. Big clips.
Very strong clips. And now I don't think we can remove it before the top.
Ah, okay.
So let's lower the speaker and find a way to take down the top. I don't see any other screws.
On the sides nothing, on the front nothing.
Let's
pull.
Let's see how it goes. You see, I don't have a position to really take it out.
Let's see on the front. No screws.
Let's work it a bit. I don't know if the lead remains.
I think it will remain with the body. I think.
But there is no space. Look, I found here some space. Come on, hold the speaker. Hold it because
remember that the top have the connectors of the input of the interface buttons.
Can you still hold it?
Yes. Okay.
Feels like it's very glue, not just the clips.
Be careful on the connectors.
No problem, I didn't pull it out. Okay, so it's just one connector, and also it has the safety, so it's not just to pull it out. There are other models.
So the volume, the lights, the buttons, and other buttons.
Yes.
It was not that easy, but not that hard. Oh, look at this, how big it is.
Interesting, this is outside the box.
Yes, it is outside. So we made the teardown with the JBL Partybox Ultimate 710, 520, 320, 120 boombox 3, and all the speakers are very different. Now we will disconnect all the cables
In order to work safe, not to damage a cable while we are trying to remove any part, it's good to have them all free. Okay, we have many cables from what I see.
We are almost up in 30 minutes of filming this. How was it to not start the video and only hold the camera like this? To forget to press the record button.
And I'm sweating. You
And
know?
you're sweating, yeah. That will be a stupid thing, but it happens.
This clip, it's also with protection, so take care that they change the connectors. In the other speakers they were simple one, just to pull the cable out, but here they have some safety. Okay, this one is also sticked here. Let's remove it first from the connector and then remove it from the plastic. That's it, I don't know. This is from the top. Yes, the top.
So all the connectors are out.
The Bluetooth is still here. We must take care not to destroy the Bluetooth antenna. So now we can remove all the screws.
Yes.
Just to see the electronics. Let's go, go, go. Since I'm here, I will remove also the other screws on the side panel. We have two here. The handle, I don't think we need to take it out.
We will see.
We will need, because the back panel is behind the handle. Oh. This wood is much stronger.
Yes, I saw that already. It is built, in my opinion, better than the smaller ones or than the older ones.
Keep in mind that these two and two screws, we have 4 screws that are longer.
And here, okay.
Oh, the back panel.
Be careful on the connectors because you will have a connector there.
It's out. Since we managed to take it out, let's release the cable and go further. Okay, nice.
So,
Just the LED panel
yes.
and the power cable here. We have here another cable. This is from the auxiliary buttons, but there is no problem.
So on the back it looks like this. Let's continue to see the circuit board.
Yes, but since I have some other screws here, I won't let them here to stay. The sides are connected with the front with these small screws. I cannot do that because I need other position. Let's see the motherboard. Fine. Any other screw? Yes, there is another one.
And now probably the plastic will pop out.
Not yet. We have another one here.
Yes. Okay, now I feel it. It is loose.
Let's see if the motherboard is staying. No.
I will hold it.
Hold the motherboard to release this cable. Okay, we have plastic out.
It looks very, very big.
Look, no glue on the Bluetooth antenna.
Yes.
Interesting.
It is the first one that doesn't have glue on
Yes.
Bluetooth antenna,
This
on the
is
connector of the Bluetooth antenna. But in my opinion, look at it. It is the biggest motherboard, even bigger than the JBL Partybox Ultimate motherboard.
the connectors are much more difficult to remove. You see, this one has these two clips here and the safety, and you must easily take it out, not force it.
So let's see it. We don't see any coolers.
No coolers,
to
only
cool
the
down the
radiator from the front, small one.
that goes
But
even on the back.
of course, we have a bigger one at the back.
And probably the vibration and the movement of the air from the woofers cools down this.
I don't know what to say. They are not in the way of the
Not
floor.
in the way, but every inside it will be windy.
Probably.
So let's see if you find any markings.
No QR code? Yes, look, there is one here.
Yes. But no other markings. No other markings, no? I don't see it. Made in somewhere. JBL.
No, it's nothing.
It would be cool to say Sony on it. Okay, hold it please. Probably on the back, but we will not
There's a
unglue.
code here, you see, but
Yeah,
it
I saw
doesn't say
already
something.
probably on the back it will write something, but we will not unglue this from the metal part because we will not be able to glue it again.
It's not about the glue, we need just to make sure that the circuits are cooling down after we take it out.
We will not
safe.
remove that.
Good. Let's see what other screws we have here. We have to disconnect the lights from the side panel up and down in order to release the side panel.
And
These two screws we did take them out, but we have another one at the bottom.
It is heavy?
Yes. Yes, it is. And I like it to be heavy only if I move it with the wheels. Okay, we have...
not take out this?
Yes, we will.
Because we are here.
Now, for the side, we have here 4 screws. Let's take them out. We have another LED cable here from the front, between the front and side. It's good to take it out to be sure that we are not breaking any.
And we will remove the left cover or the right.
Okay, but it's... I feel that something is... Oh, we have another screw here.
Where?
Look.
Oh, similar with the front one.
Yes.
That's why it is very good to pull when you feel that
it's moving.
Yes.
Because if it's not moving, for sure there is something else. Come on. Now I feel that it wants to go up. Come on. Strong clips. Really strong clips.
But look underneath. What's holding? You can see it?
Nothing. It's holding just the clips, you know. Look.
I don't see.
You can see that we have just clips. Yes, just clips and they are very strong.
Okay, let's see it.
For the clips, you need to pull it out, not to take them aside. No,
we have here some LEDs and that's about it.
Nothing broken, so this is good news.
Always it is a good news. Here we have the LED bar and some other screws.
Let's work for the other side and we leave the front at the end. For this we need to roll it over again, but I will not put it.
And probably here on the bottom we have the power source.
Okay. Let's see, where is the forgotten screw?
That was it.
There. Probably here. And also the cable. Let's remove also the LED cable. Okay. Let's remove the screw.
And we have 2 screws here.
Yes, they remain.
Every time we are making a full teardown of JBL speakers, we remained impressed about the build quality, by the construction of this speaker. It looks very good. And remember, it is important to take out all the screws. If something doesn't move, just check the screws again.
Okay, since now we know the clips, we can move faster. And same, good news, nothing broken, and no other cables on it. This is the battery cable.
It doesn't have an internal battery now, but it has the
No,
power
it's
source
from
there.
The power supply. Okay, I want to see it.
And this is the connector that goes from the battery. I
No,
think.
it's not from the battery.
It is from the power cable, yeah.
For the socket.
Of course, we will take this plastic out to see what we have inside.
For sure, there is something important there.
Important as in the power source.
I wonder if these marks are by hand, you know?
I think for sure by hand. So if JBL see this, just invite us to the factory, because we really would appreciate to see how this is built, to see the drivers built and everything else. This is on the back. Attention, live parts. We see here that we have a QR code.
Okay, let's remove the front. I want to see the drivers. We have 8 screws here. No, there are 10. Let's check again for extra screws. We have them all removed. In some speakers we saw that the front panel had another screw in the middle of the speaker. I will try to feel it, but no, I don't feel any screw on this side, but there is a...
It was on the JBL Partybox 710.
Yes. Well, I have some screws, but from the up down. And it's not nice to feel them. Okay, so I don't feel any screw. Let's easily move this away. I will try from the bottom because I have some space. I hope I have some space, but no, there is not. The front panel, it's glued and I don't know what's there, so okay, I feel it good. How to also use my hand. Oh, nice. It's released. Let's see for the cables. No cable. Oh, come on, the drivers are even bigger.
9 inch. 9 inch. Let me see the front.
Tweeters are very small.
Tweeters are small, but they are the new generation of tweeters.
Never saw this model.
So in our language, RAU means bad.
But I think it's good.
Raid, row.
Probably it means up, down. In other language, I don't know.
These are the markings.
Yes.
I'm not moving that fast because this is really heavy and look at you. Okay, thank you, John. And now let's look at the drivers. They are 9 inch. We can measure them. We have
I will find a proper tool to do that.
Of course, a rubber membrane.
And the moment of the throw.
9 inch.
24
centimeters.
Yep.
And even the other one. Exactly the same.
I want to see the back of them.
Yes, I think we will be impressed.
Probably you think it goes fast, but it took some time to remove all these screws.
We have almost 50 minutes of video, and we took already many Partybox speakers out, and we know how to do this.
Oh, okay. They are also welded, but come on, it's heavy and it has big magnet. Look, you can see the coil also.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, let's unweld them and see them closely.
Get ready for the fitting machine.
Nine-inch, similar with the JBL Partybox Ultimate. So they are very big. And we see here inside that the baseboard have protection.
Not to...
Yeah. In order to not put something inside, and that are the connectors for the battery, because this works with two 520 with two batteries, the same batteries that works on the JBL Partybox 520.
Oh, so short wires. Come on. I must find a way to free them up. Okay. Oh, I cannot make it any longer, but let's release the wire. Can you help me hold the speaker?
Yes.
It's hot.
Okay, so they are out.
It's not
and
easy.
Now, let's see them closely. Oh, very heavy. They are very, very, very heavy. They look very good.
Yes, I like them. I really like them.
And let's see if they have any markings. Can you show me?
Nothing written.
We need a QR code somewhere.
No way. Nothing. Really nothing. So you cannot see.
So you cannot find them on the stores to see how much they cost, unfortunately. But as I see them, they look very premium and very big. 9-inch.
Look,
very
there
big.
is a QR code here.
Yeah, a small QR code. No markings on it. And
Same
the
on the
same
other.
one.
So this was the full teardown.
Let us see. We see here that it has wool inside,
It has
but only on the sides.
protection for the
Yeah, I already
base
saw
board.
it.
The cables for the batteries. You can put 2 batteries inside.
Yeah, two.
Okay.
2 batteries from the JBL Partybox 520. So let's see further. Let's see the tweeters now.
Okay. Let's make some space.
So this is the front panel with the LEDs, and these are the tweeters. They have only 3 screws, and this is the QR code. We hope that they are not glued in order to take them out, because once you unglue them, you will not glue them perfectly again. Be careful, because it should be...
Ooh.
Yeah, this is the new model. Oh, it looks very good.
Don't break it.
Yes, I think these are 30 millimeters.
Feels nice.
It feels nice, but
We take the other out.
yeah, please. But they are very sensitive. What we see if we break this membrane? You see, you know?
Just a small coil.
Small coil.
Yes.
Okay.
There's a magnet.
We will not break them, because it would be a pity. So it is very late. It is almost midnight, and we do this at this hour.
Second one.
The second one, that it is, of course, the same.
Okay. We are job done.
Oh, I almost broke it. Just take that out. Was careful. Oh my god. So we finally did it. This is the full teardown of the JBL Partybox 720. We have here the wooden box. Here we have the power source. Of course, this is the motherboard. The 2 9-inch woofers, and they really sound and shake the house crazy. Of course, this is the inputs panel and the new tweeters. Look at them, they look very good. This is the top cover with the connector, and this is the front panel, and look at it on the back. It is full of LEDs. Now let's talk about the construction. In my opinion, this is one of the best construction that I ever see. The wood, it is very good. The construction are very good. The materials are premium, and it is easy to repair. I can definitely say that it was not that hard to make the teardown. What do you say, John?
Yes, I like it. Even the cable management was very good, and all the cables were put in the good position not to vibrate inside.
So, in my opinion, thumbs up for JBL, and let us see a new model, a new Ultimate. I will love to see a Ultimate that will have a big subwoofer underneath, similar with the JBL Partybox 1000. Now we will put all this together, and I will make a sound test to show you if everything works again after the reassembly. Till then, hit that like button. So now we rebuilt the JBL Partybox 710, but let's see how the JBL Partybox 720 did. Does it work? It works, or the light low works. Let's connect it to the smartphone and play a song on it to see how it will sound.
To a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when
So it works. It wasn't easy, but it wasn't hard. And now let's do the JBL Partybox 710. In my opinion, the JBL Partybox 720, it is the better speaker. But what do you think, John?
They both do the job, so if you have the money for the 720, go for it.
Go for it. Okay, feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers.
or just the start of it. Either way.